In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number on TradingView 2025. This is a straightforward process that will help secure your account further and ensure you're easily reachable for any alerts or notifications. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to TradingView.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you're not already. This will take you to your personal TradingView dashboard. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen, and you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking on this icon usually reveals a drop-down menu with several options. We're interested in navigating to the settings area next, so let's do that. Once you've accessed the drop-down, proceed to click on the Settings and Billing section. This option typically houses various account settings, including subscriptions, personal data, and much more. By selecting this, you're taking yourself to a place where you can manage many aspects of your TradingView account. Now, within the settings, you'll want to locate and click on Account Settings. This is an essential step because it opens up the specific area where you can tweak personal information connected to your account. Whether it's updating an email, changing your password, or in this case, adding a phone number, this is your go-to place. When you're in your account settings, look out for the Add Phone option. It's usually prominent and easy to find, so make sure to click on that. This option allows you to link your phone number to your TradingView account, an important feature for syncing alerts and securing your login credentials. Enter your phone number carefully in the designated field. Make sure there are no typos because this number is crucial for receiving verification codes and alerts. Providing a valid and active phone number is important so that you do not face any verification issues later on. Following the input of your phone number, you'll see an option to Get Code. When you click this, TradingView will send a verification code to the number you have just entered. This step ensures that the number provided is active and under your possession. Check your messages for this code, as it should arrive fairly quickly. With your verification code at hand, enter the code into the space provided on the screen. This action authenticates your number, linking it securely with your TradingView account. Finally, to seal the deal, you'll want to click on Submit. This finalizes the entire process, and once this step is complete, your phone number should be successfully added to your account. You may now receive timely alerts and notifications directly to your phone. And just like that, you've added a phone number to your TradingView account. It's a small, simple change, but it's an effective way to enhance the security and functionality of your trading platform experience. Thanks for watching, and make